Hey, good Friday morning, my friends. Welcome to Friday, or as we say around the Torregrossa Ranch, the weekend. We got a lot to talk about, and I'm probably going to start off a lot of Facebook Lives like that here in the next several months because winter is a pretty packed time as far as stuff going on in Michigan. Hey, good morning, Lori King. So let's get to what we're talking about here. And first off, I want to remind you that you're watching MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa, and make sure you join us on MLive for winter weather coverage and join in. That is the benefit nowadays of social media, is you can relay to all of us what road conditions are like when you are safe, not driving down the road while it's snowy and icy and then on your phone texting, obviously, and giving reports, but when you're safe. Hi, Vicki Mueller. Good morning, Sharon Kirkwood and Emma Bell. So let's get to it here. We're going to talk about the snow and cold today, which is winding down, the snow that is, and then we are going to talk about the weekend, and we're going to talk to, hey, good morning, Felicia, Selena, thank you. Then we're going to talk about the weekend where there's a little snow, and we're going to talk about opening day of firearm deer season, and we're going to talk about late next week when it looks like there's a storm coming, I should say, not a snow. Okay, so here is your radar right now. What's happening is the lake effect is breaking down. The wind is shifting. Okay, the wind had been northwest, and that's a good flow for heavy lake effect. Will I be blocked if we say or enjoyed absolutely good weather in Florida? No, we will all be coming to your house, and you will have to buy beer and food is what will happen. All right, so you probably don't want to say that again. That's worse than being blocked from MLive. Which, by the way, we don't block people unless they do stuff really nasty that's not appropriate. Okay? All right, so here's the lake effect snow band. The wind is shifting to the northeast, and now the band is coming back to the southwest and breaking down also Grand Traverse Bay and across the UP. Someone asked about traveling to the UP next Tuesday. Generally, at that time period, it looks like we're going to be in a warming phase, so it should be fairly good on the roads. Here's a radar forecast. Remember, this is a high-resolution rapid refresh, meaning high resolution. I think the resolution is down to a 3-kilometer little squares, so it can give you things, it can give you these little bands of snow, and then rapid refresh means it runs every hour. Okay? Janet Laddie, Lansing, cold, exclamation point. Keeping track of our home state from China. Peg coming in from China. What's the weather like there? Where are you, and is it warm or cold there? I think it can be both. Okay, so radar forecast showing the band of lake effects starting to shift back to the west, breaking down. This is a noon. Things are going to be improving dramatically as far as snowfall goes if you don't want snowfall. How about driving to UP this Sunday? Roads clear. Not like they were yesterday as far as bad, but there is a weather system coming which looks like it's a 1 to 3 incher across the UP. So I would say no, not clear. I'll show that to you in just a moment. And then we go through the day today and things dry out. But this is why I like the high resolution models and what we have going on in meteorology. Look at that. On a southeast wind this evening, the model can forecast a little band of lake effect coming into the southeast, well, the northwest part of Saginaw Bay, I should say. Detroit metro area, Beth Marie, you are just cold and you should get some sunshine. Okay, temperatures today. Let's go into the afternoon, and I guess it's pretty easy. Cold, upper 20s in the south, Detroit, Ann Arbor, low to mid 20s. These are high temperatures. High temperatures. Lansing 23, 24, Jackson 24, around the Tri-Cities, same around Grand Rapids, Kalamazoo 26, up north a high of 18. A high of 18, there's a lot of January days that are like that in the north. So this is a January brand of cold. All right, now let's get into what is coming. Okay, remember, I can't show you the European model, but I try to modify what I'm telling you about to factor in the European model, which is unfortunately the better model out into the future, but we get to use that one also, so I guess that's the good thing. Yes, Glenn says, rooting for Ohio State is a blockable offense. Go Blue. I'm going to say, yeah. When will I be ice fishing? Kenyon, it's going to be sooner rather than later. We have significant cold coming, and it's coming down easier, so get the stuff ready. I don't know what lake you go to, but get the stuff ready. It won't be mid-January this year. It'll probably be sometime in December. Okay, Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. So someone asked about the UP. There's a weak weather system coming across the northern part of lower Michigan Saturday night, Sunday morning. And then as we get into Sunday, that weather system will shift into southern lower and bring an area of light snow. I'm going to say it's a 1 or 2 inch snow at 33, 34 degrees. And so I think we're looking at probably not bad roads, because it's probably going to be snow that acts a little bit like rain. And that would be on Sunday. Let's go into firearm deer season for folks. Okay, we're in Monday and Tuesday and pretty quiet weather, and we're into Tuesday now, and we're starting to get back into a southerly flow. Okay, we're hitting it out in Bonita Springs. Oh, that is a nice place. Okay, so Tuesday we're kind of into a warmer flow, and by warmer I mean temperatures in the 40s, maybe some 50s. This is early. This is sunrise right here on opening day. Sunrise on opening day, and it's been pretty consistent. Rain showers. Can that opening day rain shift away from the AM? I doubt it. It's becoming very solid, and it's at 126 hours out now, and the European is just about the same way. So yeah, it could change. It could speed up or slow down a little bit, but right now I would plan on the morning hours being showery, even up across the UP. This is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Hey, happy birthday, Marines. 242 years old. Thank you. That's awesome. Okay, now this is 7 p.m. on opening day. So there you are, 1 in the afternoon, 7 p.m. So sometime in the afternoon, the rain is going to come to an end. Maybe end is a little bit of wet snow, probably not. And then let's go after that and show you what both models are showing is that second winter back in Michigan after living in North Carolina for 6 years. Wow, that's going to be a shocker to you, Michelle. Okay, this is toward the end of next week, a large storm cranking up, and I think we're ready for one of those big November storms. Warm ahead of it with showers. And come on, snow and cold and rain, not okay. I don't mind snow opening day, but come on cold. Snow and rain, not okay. Yeah. No, we get what we get. Now we're into next weekend. Low pressure, colder air starting to come in, and that is your classic lake effect pattern. Now the European, I should tell you, shows that pattern a little more aggressive with the cold and storminess, but it has been doing that also. So sometimes our US model is better than the European model. So what do we have today? We have sunshine. We have cold sunshine, only going to warm us into the mid-20s in many spots. And we have a light snow coming on Sunday across southern lower Michigan, and all kinds of fun weather next week. we still have a few warm, mild days if you have something to get done outside, but you got to really pick them because the cold air looks like it's taking hold more and more, and I would say by Thanksgiving or so, we're going to be into winter. All right? Everybody, have yourself a safe and fun weekend, but not too much fun. Talk to you later. I'm MLive Chief Meteorologist